Cereal flakes porridge. Ingredients: 1 cup cereal flakes, 2 cups milk or water, a pinch of salt, sugar or honey to taste, butter optional, banana for garnish. Instructions: 1. Pour the milk or water into a saucepan and bring to a boil. 2. Add a pinch of salt. 3. Gradually add the cereal flakes, stirring continuously. 4. Cook over low heat for 3 to 5 minutes until done. 5. Add sugar or honey to taste. 6. Add butter if desired. 7. Serve in bowls and garnish with banana slices. Enjoy your meal! Optional, garnish with fresh banana slices.